Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be the final video. The car is back with the owner. I'm going to show that in a little bit so you can see it. Right here, I'm just checking the car out, doing the final details. I'm just waiting for the transport truck to get here so that we can load it up and it can go home. Um, that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just double checking, making sure that everything's where it's supposed to be, making sure that it's clean and detailed, and that's basically it. I do want to thank the owners for letting me do this project. Thank you for choosing Faraway. So let's just see when they load it up, and when it reaches the destination. Uh, let's just take a look. Right here, the truck's just arriving to Midland, Texas. That's where this car is originally from. So let's see.
Oh my god, babe. Oh, it's fucking bad. It's beautiful. Thank you. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh man.
Put you a surprise in there.
You did?
It's on the passenger side.
Oh, nice. Looks nice. Oh my god. That's cool, huh?
Deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams painted